What's up, YouTube? Roll Tide. Today I am going to be taking off the valance on the bottom part of the truck. For those who didn't know, that is what that piece is called. The valance, from my little research I've done, is just for wind dynamics. But if you look at, if I'm not mistaken, like the trail bosses that already have the lift in the front, most of those don't have that on it. So since my truck has the 3.5 in the front, I'm saying the same thing, that my truck doesn't need that extra wind dynamic to help with gas, that's out of there anyway. So I'm gonna get that off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get under here, see what I need, and hopefully my tools make quick work of this. All right, guys, be back. All right, guys, I'm underneath, and from what I see, it has about 12 bolts. I don't know if you guys can see that. All the way across, that needs to come out before this comes off. So let me get my equipment, and I'll let you know what size it is. All right, guys, I got the size you would need. You would need a 7. See if I can get it to pop up. I got one out already. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these out. Also, too, I want to tell you guys, just say you sell the truck, keep the screws. What I'll do, I'll put this in the corner. I get a little Ziploc bag, put the screws in it, tape it to this piece. So when I do sell it, because I probably will sell it, I'll just put it in the truck with it, or I'll put it back on. So, I never get rid of pieces that I take off. I always keep them, guys. All right, let me get this off and I'll show you what it looks like. Also, guys, I want to show you is that it is a screw facing upward that you need to get out also on each end. So just want to show you that. Didn't want you to get all of them taken off and be like, damn, why didn't it come off? It's because of that screw right there, each side. All right, guys, another thing what you can do is get you a screwdriver, pop these down, and slide it out. As you can see, my hands are always ashy. I need to start putting on some gloves when I do this. And put that in your bag also. You could probably leave these in, but I wouldn't think that they would stay over time, hitting bumps, water hitting them and stuff like that. You are bound to lose one. So now, why not just take them on off and store them, then you know where they at. Once you get all the screws off, guys, all you do is push this back toward the truck and it comes down like so. I gotta take that last screw out over there and everything will be done. Let me finish taking these little things out and that screw, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, the valance is off. It looks good. It looks good. I can tell just from sitting here. People are gonna ask me, why do you take it off? The reason you take it off is it gives your truck the effect that it's sitting taller. When you got something hanging down like that does, it makes it look lower. You take that off, the truck automatically has a taller look in the front. That is why I took it off. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.